What's up, Endspyre Fam? How you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a blissful day. Now today's topic I want to talk about, if you're lonely, if you're sad, if you need somebody to talk to, I got y'all. Just drop a comment on my YouTube section, hit me up on Instagram, and whatever you're going through, let's talk. Maybe we could find a solution to your problem. I don't want you guys going out and do things that you're going to regret, because a lot of time when people get mad, they do things out of anger, okay? They start going crazy. Sometimes you gotta go out, get out the house, start working out or do something, okay? Just to get your mind off of it. Try to stay positive. Sometimes there's a situation where it's hard for you to maintain your composure of being positive, but you have to stay strong for you and your well-being, okay? You can't change something that cannot be changed, but you could fix something that can be changed. Understand that? If you're watching this video, I pray that whatever you're going through in life, you will bypass it with success. If you're watching this video, I pray that you will be wealthy, you will be healthy, you will be loved, okay? I know a lot of times people go through situation, but it's okay. It's a part of life and it's a part of lesson. So take it with a grain of salt, man. Take it with not with a grain of salt. Take it with a whole lot of love, okay? And try to stay positive and try to stay neutral. I want to make this video real short just to let you guys know that if you guys ever needed somebody to talk to, your boy Endspyre got you, okay? Well, love y'all. Smash the like button like it's hump day. Join the family, man, where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. See you guys next time in the next motivational, inspirational video. Peace.